Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. वेलकम टू द चैनल सालिया जोन। डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Here is a speech for World Environment Day. Ladies and gentlemen, today on World Environment Day, we gather to acknowledge the significance of our planet and our responsibility towards it. The theme of this year, World Environment Day, is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, and it's a call to action for all of us to come together and take collection action to protect our environment. Ladies and gentlemen, we are facing unprecedented environmental challenges, from climate change to biodiversity loss, pollution, and deforestation. The consequences of our actions are evident in the frequent natural disasters, rising sea levels, and declining air and water quality. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to make a difference. We can reimagine a world where sustainability. We can recreate a future where our actions are guided by environmental consciousness, and we can restore the beauty and wonder of our planet for future generations. So, what can we do? We can start by making small changes in our daily lives. Use public transport, carpool, or bike to work. Reduce your plastic usage, recycle, and compost. Support organizations working towards environmental conservation. Educate yourself and others about environmental issues. Let us come together to protect our planet. Let us recommit ourselves to being responsible stewards of the earth. Let us celebrate World Environment Day every day by living sustainability and inspiring others to do the same. Together we can make a difference. Together we can make a difference. Together we can save our planet. Thanks for watching for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.